Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes. A great good afternoon or good morning, good evening, wherever you are around the world. You're watching me. I remember my humble self, a noble right activist from the Stanley Azaz Sapulukudi. We are still right at Edo Central, heading towards Igweben specifically, and we just want to fix our brake pad, owing to the fact that we've been in a very lengthy convoy for some days now, so we just want to make our logistics very okay so that when we are moving, there will be no distraction. So today is day 3 of the Obaseki Shaibu Edo Central campaign, and by the power of God, Edo Diaspora Connect is ably represented, and we have been on ground. But I think yes. Hello, come. Do you have how much is this?
300.
For a minute. So as I was saying, you don't discuss with them. So today is day 3 of the campaign. Okay, how much is that price? Today is day 3 of the campaign. Take it there. Right now, we just want to keep us updated with the development. You need to come and see what is happening in Edo Central. Thank God today we have all this on a video, a documented evidence. You know, when you paste picture, they would say, why would you take this picture from here to here? We do not believe the crowd. We do not believe this. But today, what I can authoritatively tell you is that if Governor Godwin Obaseki agrees to organize the population in Edo Central that are supporting him to the Egbe Stadium, believe me, the stadium cannot accommodate the people because the crowd will be too much. I want to tell you the simple truth. With the vast experience so far that we've gotten in Edo North and in Edo Central, I can authoritatively tell you that in Edo North, we are going to defeat Oshomole 70%. Oshomole and Izeyamu's ticket, because Oshomole is just a third tenure by extension. If Izeyamu happens to amend, so whenever you are talking about Izeyamu's Ghana ticket, you must say Izeyamu, Oshomole Izeyamu Ghana's ticket. But in Edo North, I can authoritatively tell you that yes, we defeat them outrightly. But when you come to Edo Central, in Edo Central here, 90% of the population are supporting Obaseki. In fact, I've been here. I've never seen any APC member. And one thing about the Esan people is that they are very, very enlightened politically. I've never seen them countering the overall opinion of their collective interest. Every citizen tends to work in line with the overall interest of everybody. And this is evidence from the actions of the traditional rulers. There was bag of money everywhere. We know Oshomole is a dispenser that is willing to dispense cash at any point in time. But he was shocked. he met a fierce resistance from the elders and traditional rulers from Edo Central. And they chased him away. What I've said before, and I'm still repeating it again, for those who thought that what happened in Edo Central against the Shomuli was just what the video, the camera captured. Please, it's beyond that. They chased him away. They drove him away. Please share this video. Share this video and invite your friend. They drove him. You know, he believes that he's a political demagogue, and he came out with the new political philosophy of Odigwetwe. That wherever he goes, he tends to manipulate the people with his name. They told him in Edo Central, go. After the elections, come and beg. You cannot be kneeling down because you want votes. After votes, you continue the way you used to be. They told him, go. If this your apology, if this your plea is genuine, come and apologize to us after election. Yes, sir. Sorry, the network was a little bit bad. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. But it's not an easy task for them to collectively speak in one voice. It's not easy. You cannot buy an average Isaman. If you can buy Isaman, Oshobola would have been able to buy anybody. But they told him, go with your money. You know, all of us are aware of the fact that Oshobola threatened violence. That he's going to give violence upon violence against the people. And this is evidence in a newspaper report. The Nation newspaper reported it sometime 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. And we can get details of that newspaper. Because someone promised to unleash terror. And then after that, sometime, some revelation came out about terror groups and some assassins that were deployed into the